Alright, thank you for clicking on this video. This is a 2007 Scion TC. We are doing the cold air intake swap.
Never slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
This is an HPS short ram intake, freshly made and shipped from Fitment Industries. Also came with this license plate. So you'll start off by putting a boot on there, put the clamp this way.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I forgot to resume the video, so you got this bracket on finally, which I'll show you here in a couple minutes what it looks like. Where mine was, that's going nowhere. Do keep in mind I still have to tighten the clamp for the back of the intake. So they give you new bolts for your mass sensor. I'm going to go ahead and stay with what I have, unless the thread pattern is different. This one, touch this out of the way. Now we're almost done. We just got to go back, tighten up some some stuff that we didn't tighten up before. Too late to go to the auto parts store right now, so I'm gonna have to reuse this old crusty hose here. Okay, it's just a breather. Nice HPS filter. So right here, here's that L-shaped bracket. It is inverted. Come on, camera. Here is the bushing, the first L-shaped bracket. There's the two bowls, the two washers, and then on top of it is a washer and a nut. Comes straight up into here, and then that gives us the clearance between the tube and the heat shield. And then how this one is mounted, just a plate that comes up. You use your factory hardware, or if you have a brand new one, and then a nut. And then for the MAF sensor, they give you new hardware, but mine are still good, so I'm going to keep these.